Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to get the ChatGPT in this device. Simply open your app store. So here you can see, you can search the ChatGPT here. Tap on this one, search at the bottom right corner. So here we can easily search the application. You can see, tap on this one. So here you can see the application. So tap on to install this application, tap on the option get. So here you can see, tap on the option install. So here we need to enter our Apple account password. Okay, yeah, after enter the password, so tap on sign in. Now you can see it's downloading. Just wait for a few seconds to complete this process. Now the ChatGPT is installed in this device. Now we can easily open this one. Okay, so you can see the ChatGPT. Just tap on the option open, continue. So here we can use this one. So simply in this way we can install the ChatGPT in this device. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you.